Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Crazy! So can you guess what we are? Well, Babe is about to make. Well, not. Are you using it for it? Yeah. Oh, okay. Let me see if y'all can guess. I give you 5 seconds. Go. Hint number 2. That's a good hint. You guys better get it now. Okay, so y'all should have guessed it by now. What we gonna make, babe?
Beef stew. We have the beef.
So you put a little oil in a pot. Now I'm cutting up. Oh no, that's you. You're cutting up some onions right now.
Yep, and we're gonna brown the beef a little bit before we throw it in the crock pot, just so it can maintain that flavor. I'm gonna cut up some red potatoes. You can use whatever potatoes you like, but we like red.
Now the beef goes in a crock pot. We let that warm up for a little bit before we put the meat in. So now we're about to start adding in the good stuff. Some parsley. Babe is making her sauce right now. So she put beef stock,
Worcester, tomato paste, some smoked paprika, some oregano. I think that's fresh rosemary. A little minced garlic.
and put some thyme in there as well.
Yeah, we did. We're just gonna throw all of our vegetables in there after the meat has cooked a little bit. And I'm gonna throw my little broth.
That broth was good too.
It was, but we had to go back and put some more seasoning in it.
Yeah, don't be shy on the seasoning, y'all.
Right, the broth kind of makes the flavor go away. Throw the bay leaves in there. Still don't know what the specialty is about them, but they do something.
They did. They added a little kick or something.
Something.
Look at that. I had to go in and look at it a couple times.
Right, they kept opening the pot.
It smells so good.
It really did.
So this is about an hour later, and see how the meat and everything is all tender. So now you about to make your roux, right?
Yep, I added the juice back into a bowl. Added some gluten-free flour because y'all know Bae got her diet restrictions now, which is helping me out too.
Yeah.
So I just mixed that up until it is nice and smooth, like Bae would like to say.
Pour that remainder, well, all of it, into the crock pot.
So it's just gonna make it a little bit thicker, so it's more like a gravy. Ooh, I want some.
So when you have like a half an hour left, you can add in your mushrooms. And that's optional. You don't have to, but we love mushrooms.
Yeah, and it kind of gave it more flavor. Then we add some more fresh parsley on top.
And voila.
Yep, add it with a little side of cornbread or something, and you have a good beef stew.
I was hype, y'all.
Yes, she was.
If it ain't on the gram, it didn't happen, right?
Right, absolutely.
Hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks.
And my dear,